This is the X-Fed coming to you from the Armory, also known as my garage. This is the second video, kind of a follow-up on the original one I talked about. Using Beretta magazines in lieu of the original Canik magazines. The Canik magazines are a little pricey, hard to find. So in lieu of that, get yourself a Beretta magazines. These are 40 caliber magazines. Originally hold 11 rounds. They will now hold 15 rounds of 9mm. No change to the spring, base plate, or your follower. Nothing at all. Utilizing something. This is what I use here. You can use measuring tape, whatever you want to use. Make your measurements. Mark them on your Beretta magazine. Make your cuts. Make sure you make them on the correct side of wherever your magazine release is going to be. Make your cuts, and you should be good to go. These are a lot cheaper than your Canik magazines. So, some were asking, how well do they fit? Let me show you. So this is your original Canik magazine. Okay, there it is. Fits nice and snug. Release that. Your Beretta magazine. Just so you know, on the left side of the magazine, there's a bit of a notch right here, right on the follower there. What ends up happening, because of that, my magazine release button is on the left side. It's going to catch right there. Just push it in, and your magazine will go right in. Fits nice and flush, as you can see. Perfect. Again, and you heard that. It locks in place. Mag dump, no problem. Now, I'll show you that it does lock to the rear. Again, taking the magazine, putting it in, pushing the magazine release, locking it in. There it is. It will lock your slide to the rear. Magazine release, there it is. Another Beretta magazine. Same thing I did. Same thing, push the magazine release, it locks in place, and there it is. Can't beat that. A lot cheaper than your Canik magazines. So, any questions that I can answer, send them out to me. Any more information you want me to relay, I can relay, or you want to post and add a comment about it, go for it. So, again, the X-Fed, and knowing is half the battle.